Changing workplace technology brings new possibilities, but also growing pressure. More tools to manage, more risks to mitigate, more demands on employees. Your print service shouldn't add to that workload. Ricoh Print as a Service is a streamlined approach that delivers benefits for your entire business. For IT teams, it's freedom. Say goodbye to the endless cycle of manual updates and technical headaches. Our enterprise-grade technology comes with built-in security, automation, and integration with other workplace platforms, keeping your systems protected and your workforce productive. For facilities managers, it's a people-centric workplace experience enabled by a reliable, eco-friendly, and easy-to-run print service with support you can depend on. For finance, it's clarity. No more unpredictable costs or complex vendor management. Just flexible payment solutions that support your tech strategy with transparent scheduled billing that helps you budget with confidence. For your people, they get what matters most: simplicity. Whether printing, scanning, or sharing, it just works. No friction, no fuss, no wasted time. Whether you're a growing startup or an established enterprise, our scalable solutions adapt as you do, so you can focus on what matters most: running your organization. Ready for a print service that works as hard as you do?